Hi everyone, this is Paulo Haddad, and today I'm excited to share something new that could transform the way you work with OpenDSS and Python. Let me introduce py-dss-toolkit, a new Python package designed to provide you advanced capabilities on top of py-dss interface. If you are using py-dss interface, the toolkit is going to save you a lot of time by automating tasks, organizing results, and even simplify complex studies. Just to make it clear, py-dss toolkit is not a replacement for py-dss interface. In fact, it depends on it. Think of it this way. py-dss interface is how you connect to the official version of OpenDSS, the version that Apple provides. And py-dss toolkit builds on top of py-dss interface to provide enhanced capabilities. So if you want to use the toolkit, you need to have py-dss interface. Now, if you are interested in learning py-dss interface in details, I have created a complete course that walks you through it step by step. You can check this course out using my website, paulohaddad.me. And in this month, I'm offering you 25% discount if you use the coupon code that I'm sharing here in the screen. If I go back to py-dss toolkit and where we can find examples, in the GitHub Repository, we can find examples that talks about circuit visualization, model exploration, organizing results, how to do snapshot studies, time series studies. So you have several examples ready to run that you can explore and try to understand more about this package. I don't want to go into those things right now since this is just an introduction video. But in the upcoming videos, I really want to walk through the main features of this package. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel, turn on the notifications, and leave a comment below telling me which example do you want to see first. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm very excited to continue developing this tool and helping you to get even more out of OpenDSS and Python. Thanks so much, and see you next time.